What up, what up? What's going on, family? How you guys doing? Been a minute. I really want to get back into making YouTube videos again. I feel like I just put a lot of pressure on myself trying to make these videos too perfect or whatever. And I want to just do videos just off the top and no structure, no editing, just whatever I'm thinking about, whatever's on my mind, just like come up with a topic randomly and just make a video, post it. I ain't trying to do no more editing. But I've just been having a lot of shit going through my life, and with the company, with the trucking industry, it's just been shitty. It's been a nightmare, honestly, and like just 3 years of just crappy trucking industry, crappy market. I just been just doing whatever I can just to survive. It's summertime right now. What's today's date? August 6th, 2025. Still surviving, still got 2 trucks. And it's crazy because I don't even I don't budget, I don't write down all my expenses every week or every month. Like how much money's coming in, how much money's going out. I'm literally just winging it. And of course, if I budget and write everything down and keep track of what I'm spending, my expenses, my income, my gross revenue, all that, for sure I would be saving way more money because I would know what to cut out and just come up with a better business plan of surviving. But I tell myself to do it, but I just don't do it. So I'm just whatever, I'm just rolling with the punches, basically. But even though business has been bad the last 3 years, it hasn't stopped me or my family from doing fun things, like going to baseball games. We go to a lot of Dodger games. We go to a lot of concerts. We go on vacations. And I'm talking about getting on an airplane and going to a destination type of vacations. And I ain't gonna lie, I feel mentally guilty. I shouldn't be going on vacations and spending money on fun things because the business ain't doing good. But at the same time, it's well, when is it gonna get better? When is business gonna get better? Do I wait? Do I just not do anything fun ever? And it's I don't even think about all that. I just do it, I don't want to wait till I'm an old freaking man, okay, am I gonna have a lot of money when I'm an old man? Then I can start doing fun things and going on vacation? I don't even know. So it's I'd rather just party and have fun now, because by the time I'm old, I might not even want to do any of that stuff, go on airplane trips, go on vacations, go to concerts. Maybe I will, but I don't know. I want to do these things now. I want to have fun now. I want to spend time and make memories with my family, my wife and kids, my cousins, all my extended family. We just be having fun, straight up. Which also makes me think, I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, because we be going all out. We be having parties, birthday parties, backyard boogies, freaking vacations, concerts. I want to do a channel that focuses on when I'm just having fun with the family. So I don't know if it would be a vacation channel or a party channel or what, but yeah, I want to do that. But anyways, back to the topic. I just been I just been winging it with the business, straight up. I just been winging it. Like, it's not structured whatsoever. Like, I just have my 2 trucks. It's power only, so like I don't own any trailers. I haul trailers for other companies that, you know, they own them. But I'm still doing ports, picking up containers out of the Long Beach ports, and I just delivered to like San Bernardino area. Like, I don't go further than like San Bernardino or like Paris. Although sometimes I do go to Victorville. Like right now, I picked up a load in Long Beach and I'm delivering to Victorville. The pay on these loads are still shitty. It's like ever since, what was it, the end of 2022, when the trucking industry just like crashed, all the rates went down, like on every load. Like every type of load, not just containers, but like dry van mostly, refrigerated loads, flatbed loads, and any other load that you could think of. Like the rates for the whole trucking industry just dropped. Some sectors more than other, but like dry van and containers probably took the biggest hit as far as like the rates being cut. But it's just been a mess, you know, career-wise with the business and everything. But I can't give it up. Honestly, I just cannot give it up. Like, I have a mountain of credit card debt that I'm just like, I'm not even close to making more than minimum payments. Like, pretty much I'm basically making a payment. I'm paying a bill with a credit card, and then I'll pay that credit card right back. Not really so much a bill, but when I go put fuel, I'll use a credit card to put fuel, which is like $600-700, and then I'll pay that $600 or $700 right back, and then that'll be like my monthly payment for that credit card. And I'm pretty much doing that like times maybe like 4 or 5 credit cards. So it's like I'm not even paying any of the, what's it called, the principal down on each credit card. I'm just, you know, I'm just like barely staying above water, basically. But anyways, that's all I got to say right now. Hope you all having a blessed day. I want to think of like how I'm gonna end my videos from now on. Like, I could say like stay blessed, or ask God, stay blessed. I don't even know, that's corny. But anyways, hope you all have a blessed day, and see you on the next one.